Round 14, a chain, a single crochet into same place, another single crochet, and another single crochet into next, 3 single crochet top of every single crochet, a single crochet behind of this picot. We find 2 yarn behind of this picot, this 2, and a single crochet into this. Now 6 single crochet, and again a single crochet behind of this picot, and we continue this pattern. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now a single crochet behind of this picot. We find 2 yarn here. Let me show you. 2 yarn here, and a single crochet here. Again 6 single crochet and a single crochet behind of this picot, and continue until we finish this round, and I come back here. Okay, round 14, for finish this round, after the last single crochet behind of picot, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and a slip stitch in first single crochet we had. Round 14 is finished. Round 15, we make a chain and a single crochet into same place, another single crochet into same place. Now 6 single crochet top of every single crochet we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In 7 we make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Now 6 single crochet. In 7 we make 2 single crochet, and we continue until we finish this round. In this round we have to have 144 single crochet. I come back here. Round 15, after last increase we make 6 single crochet, now a slip stitch in first single crochet we had, round 16 we make chain 1, a single crochet into first single crochet we had, we have to put a marker in first single crochet for round 18, and we make single crochet in every single crochet we have. Round 16 and 17 both of the same, we make only single crochet in every single crochet we have. Totally 144 in every round.